The right way to use a male condoms. Condoms do's and don'ts. Use a condom every time you have sex. Do put on a condom before having sex. Read the package and check the expiration date. Make sure there are no tears or defects. Do store condoms in a cool, dry place. Use latex or polyurethane condoms. Use water-based or silicone-based lubricant to prevent breakage. Don't store condoms in your wallet as heat and friction can damage them. Don't use naloxone 9, a spermicide, as this can cause irritation. Don't use oil-based products like baby oil, lotion, petroleum jelly, or cooking oil, because they will cause the condom to break. Don't use more than one condom at a time. Don't reuse a condom. How to put on and take off a male condom. Carefully open and remove condom from wrapper. Place condom on the head of the erect hard penis. If uncircumcised, pull back the foreskin first. Pinch air out of the tip of the condom. Unroll condom all the way down the penis. After sex but before pulling out, hold the condom at the base, then pull out. While holding the condom in place, carefully remove the condom and throw it in the trash.